friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it to receive updates on every video uploaded. Indian Institute of Technology, Dhanbad has issued a notification for recruitment for the various non-teaching posts. The number of vacancies for Assistant Engineer Electrical is 1, for Assistant Engineer Civil 2, for Junior Engineer Electrical 2, Junior Engineer Civil 1, for Junior Superintendent Security 2, for Junior Superintendent Library 2, for Junior Technical Superintendent Medical 2, for Staff Nurse 6, for Junior Superintendent Hospitality 2, for Junior Superintendent Sanitation 3, for Junior Technician Civil Maintenance 4, for Junior Technician Electrical Maintenance 3, for Junior Technician Library 6, for Junior Assistant Hospitality 15. The total number of vacancies is 51. Now let's see about the essential educational qualification and experience required. For the post of Assistant Engineer Electrical in the pay level 7, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification required is Diploma in Electrical Engineering with minimum 55% marks and having 3 years of relevant experience in the pay level 6. Should have experience of working in MS Office and other computer softwares relevant to the area of work or specialization. For the post of Assistant Engineer Civil in the pay level 7, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential qualification required is Diploma in Civil Engineering with minimum 55% marks and having 3 years relevant experience in the revised pay level 6. Should have experience of working in MS Office and other computer softwares relevant to the area of work or specialization. For the post of Junior Engineer Electrical in the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification required is Diploma in Electrical Engineering with minimum 55% marks with a minimum 4 years experience in a relevant post in pay level 5 and proficiency in computer applications. For the post of Junior Engineer Civil in the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification required is a Diploma in Civil Engineering with minimum 55% marks and minimum 4 years experience in a relevant post in pay level 5 and proficiency in computer applications. For the post of Junior Superintendent Security in the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. The essential qualification required is a bachelor's degree with security related supervisory experience of 4 years. The applicant should be conversant with security rules and procedures and should possess valid driving license for light motor vehicle and motorcycle and should have 4 years minimum experience in the relevant field in pay band 1. For the post of Junior Superintendent Library, the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification required is Masters in Library Science or Masters of Library and Information Science with at least 55% marks or Master's degree in Arts or Science or Commerce or any other discipline with Bachelor's in Library Science or Bachelor's in Library and Information Science with at least 55% marks. Postgraduate diploma or certificate course in computer application or library automation with minimum of 6 months duration. At least 4 years working experience in a reputed library in a post in pay band 1. Proficiency in the use of a variety of computer office applications such as MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. For the post of staff nurse, in the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification required is a bachelor's degree in nursing with 55% marks and relevant experience of 2 years or 10 plus 2 pass and qualified through the examination held by the Nursing Council with 3-year course in general nursing and midwifery with relevant experience of 3 years. For the post of Junior Superintendent Hospitality in the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification required is a bachelor's degree in hotel management or hospitality with at least 55% marks and relevant experience of 2 years, or 3-year diploma in hotel management and catering technology with at least 55% marks and with relevant experience of 4 years. For the post of Junior Superintendent Sanitation in the pay level 6, the maximum age limit is 35 years. Essential educational qualification is a diploma in sanitary or public health engineering with relevant experience of 5 years in the pay level 5. For the post of Junior Technician Civil Maintenance in the pay level 3, the maximum age limit is 30 years. Essential educational qualification required is diploma in civil engineering with 5 years of relevant experience and knowledge of computer office applications. For the post of Junior Technician Electrical Maintenance in the pay level 3, maximum age limit is 30 years. Essential qualification required is a diploma in electrical engineering with 5 years of relevant experience and knowledge of computer office applications. For the post of Junior Technician Library in the pay level 3, the maximum age limit is 30 years. Essential educational qualification required is graduate plus Bachelor's of Library Science or Master of Library Science or equivalent, diploma in library science with at least 2 years relevant library experience. For the post of Junior Assistant Hospitality in the pay level 3, the maximum age limit is 30 years. Essential qualification required is diploma in hotel management and catering technology with at least 5 years relevant experience. Now let's see the selection process. For the post of Assistant Engineer, Civil or Electrical, there will be a screening test, objective type for 100 marks for shortlisting the candidates for practical skill test of qualifying nature. The candidates declared qualified in practical skill test will be called to appear in the main examination. The main examination will be held for 100 marks. The written test will be for 80 marks and the computer proficiency test will be for 20 marks, a total of 100 marks. Only the candidates who will qualify in the written and computer test will be called for presentation and interview, 100 marks, before the selection committee. A merit list of candidates shall be prepared on the basis of performance in written test, computer proficiency test and interview. The final marks will be calculated as follows. 75% of the total marks obtained in the written test and computer proficiency test will be added to 25% of the marks in the interview. For the post of Junior Engineer Civil or Electrical, the candidates will be called to appear for a screening test, objective type 100 marks, for shortlisting the candidates for practical skill test of qualifying nature. The candidates declared qualified in practical skill test will be called to appear in the main examination. The main examination will be held for 100 marks. The written test will be held for 80 marks and computer proficiency test for 20 marks. The total marks is 100. A merit list will be prepared on the basis of the marks obtained in the written test and computer proficiency test. For the post of Junior Superintendent, Security, Library, Sanitation, Hospitality and Junior Technical Superintendent, Medical and Staff Nurse, the candidates will be called to appear for a screening test, objective type 100 marks, for shortlisting the candidates for practical skill test of qualifying nature. The candidates declared qualified in the practical skill test will be called to appear in the main examination. The main examination will be held for 100 marks. Written test will be held for 80 marks and computer proficiency test for 20 marks, a total of 100 marks. A merit list of candidates will be prepared on the basis of the marks obtained in the written test and computer proficiency test. For the post of Junior Technician, Civil Maintenance, Electrical Maintenance, Library and Junior Assistant Hospitality, the candidates will be called to appear in the screening test, objective type 100 marks, for shortlisting the candidates for practical skill test of qualifying nature. The candidates declared qualified in the practical skill test will be called to appear in the main examination. Main examination will be held for 100 marks. It will consist of written test for 80 marks and computer proficiency test for 20 marks, a total of 100 marks. A merit list of candidates will be prepared on the basis of the marks obtained in the written test and computer proficiency test. The recruitment fee is Rs 500. Female candidates and SC or ST or Divyang or ex-servicemen eligible for reservation are exempted from payment of recruitment fee. Applications are to be submitted online through application module available on the institute's website www.iitisn.ac.in, and the requisite documents are to be uploaded in PDF format. Signed copy of the printout of duly submitted application form with all attachments is also required to be submitted or sent to the Deputy Registrar, Indian Institute of Technology, Dhanbad, 826004, Jharkhand, before 14/12/2019 in an envelope superscribed as application for the post of the name of post applied. Submission of online application form commences on 4th October 2019 and closes on 4th December 2019. Last date for submission of signed copy of downloaded copy of duly filled in online application form with all enclosures is 14th December 2019. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.